So, analysis. Well, our first piece of analysis comes from Axmacher et al. In 2008. They developed Crick-Mitchelton's theory further, and they actually said, well, let's split the theory of memory formation into two. So they took the initial learning phase, where you initially sort of learn something or find something out or see something, you start creating a memory. But then they said there was the memory consolidation phase. So if we cast our minds back to the work we've done on memory before, let's say you're trying to learn a phone number, all right? And you initially form that memory, but then you need to consolidate it, otherwise it'll just kind of float away somewhere. And sometimes that memory consolidation phase can get saturated. You can't take in any new information. People keep saying numbers at you and you're like, it's all getting too complicated. Well, they said that reverse learning basically frees up that consolidation phase, and it means that we can free up and consolidate only the adaptive memories and not the parasitic memories that, frankly, we just don't need. The other thing is to think about, well, could we use sleep therapy to help people get rid of memories that they don't want to have? So, for example, if we're talking about people with post-traumatic stress disorder, they have these really harmful, damaging memories of abuse or violence or assault or something like that they want to get rid of. Could we use sleep therapy to somehow deal with these harmful memories to help people to forget them? In theory, yes. But there's been mixed success. Although these memories are damaging, they often have very strong connections and memory traces, and that's why people suffer from PTSD. They're not able to forget these things. And so this idea of reverse learning could help, but unfortunately, these bits of memory are incredibly strong, and they're very difficult to get rid of. So while reverse learning could help in theory, in practice, we haven't been able to make it work just yet.